All right, y'all. So I'm sure we done all seen the Ice Spice look that she had for the SpongeBob movie premiere, which was extremely outrageous, and she has been facing a lot of backlash since people saw the photos. But what I want to talk about in regards to these types of situations is how these celebrities usually have an entire team. And when I say celebrities, I use that term extremely loosely, but they have a whole entire team behind them, from hair to makeup to the stylist whose name is Timothy Luke, that she's been working with for quite a while. He has done a lot of her looks. But it's time people start questioning the stylists that are a lot of times men that put these girls in these questionable outfits. They know they're questionable. They know they're going to be dragged, and they still make them wear these looks. As for the designer of the dress, I will put their name in the description box because I'm totally unfamiliar with the brand. So I don't really have much to say about them other than the fact that the designer could have possibly paid the stylist for product placement, and she was put in that dress to blow up the brand or to expand the brand. And regardless to whether people receive it good or they receive it poorly, the brand still gets attention and people become familiar with who or what it is, strictly based off of something bad. Because when you do something bad, I feel like it garners a lot more attention, especially today, than ever before. Like, infamously doing things is the new way of doing things. Like, people don't care how they end up on top as long as they get there. I don't think regular people realize how much things are constantly being either promoted or sold to them through celebrities. Marketing is happening 25/8. Marketing is happening when you're not even realizing that you're being sold on a product or idea. Basically, what I'm trying to say is I feel as though we were watching a bad marketing scheme. And here's why I don't really fault Ice Spice is because she's a young lady in a space that she obviously has never been in before. And she probably thinks that everybody in those spaces knows more than her. So imagine somebody bringing you a dress that you don't want to wear and you telling them, no, you're not wearing that, or you don't want to wear that. You don't want to be seen as the difficult person or the person that's hard to work with, because we see how quickly those words spread around, and then she won't be getting booked. Once the girls come into money and are able to start taking care of their family and living a certain lifestyle, people don't want to fall off from that. They want to maintain that. So they're going to do whatever it is that they need to do in order to maintain that. Is it right or wrong? I'm not here to be the judge of that. I'm just saying. It's a fact that you can't speak up on certain things because you will be wiped off the scene. So here's where I'm at with it at this point. We can't just drag Ice Spice. You got to drag the whole entire team, the designer and everybody. Because even if I was a designer, if I was the designer of that gown, I would have let them know maybe we should go with another option for this particular movie premiere. I can design something else, or I can modify it to make it a little bit more age appropriate for the event. The girl didn't act alone. She got set up. But that's just my personal opinion. I don't know. Y'all come on down to the comments and tell me what y'all think.